Did you know that content marketing actually costs about 60% less than traditional advertising while generating way more leads? If your current promotion plan for a podcast or video is just hitting upload and hoping for the best, you are leaving massive growth on the table. In this video, I want to show you exactly how to boost your search presence and social reach every time you finish a long episode, all without getting trapped in a week-long editing marathon. Your long-form video or podcast is the central trunk of your content strategy tree. What we want to do is turn that single trunk into a canopy of branches like blog posts, newsletters, and social clips, so your audience finds you everywhere. The easiest way to make this happen is by combining a little human intention with the right AI tools. Let me walk you through a workflow that takes you from a raw episode to a stack of ready-to-post assets using an AI engine to slice up clips and automate distribution. Step 1 is capturing your text backbone, because every solid repurpose workflow should begin with an accurate transcript. The transcript is critical because it becomes the raw material you feed into your copywriting tools and your clipping engines. Once you have that transcript, don't just bury it in a folder, but paste it into a writing assistant. Ask your tool for multiple outputs, like a newsletter summary, a long-form blog article, and a list of punchy social media soundbites. This gives you 3 distinct tiers of content: email content for your list, SEO-ready articles for your site, and short hooks for social. While tools like ChatGPT are great at reorganizing material, they won't produce the actual video clips for you. That is exactly where a specialized AI clip generator changes the game for creators. Instead of manually scouring your hour-long episode to find the perfect moments, the AI automatically identifies high engagement sections. It pulls the moments that are emotionally charged, funny, or insight-packed and turns them into clips that actually match platform expectations. This is huge because most creators simply do not have the time to find those moments or edit them down for every single platform. A simple workflow looks like this. Upload your full episode. Let the engine analyze the content, and within minutes you get a batch of ready-to-post clips. It picks the viral candidate clips for you, so you only need to skim, tweak the titles, and move on. There is no complicated timeline juggling, and you can say goodbye to tedious frame-by-frame trimming. Now let's revisit the text outputs to tie everything together for your audience. Take the newsletter summary from your writing assistant and use that to link your audience back to the full blog post. The short social soundbites become the captions, the hooks, and the on-screen text for your video clips. This is where the two worlds collide. The writer produces the storyline, and the clip engine produces the bite-sized visual assets. One of my favorite tips is to tell your AI writer to generate 3 specific types of quotes: educational, inspiring, and entertaining. These 3 categories cover the emotional triggers that actually drive engagement, like saves, shares, and comments. Label each quote with a timestamp, then let the AI pull the corresponding snippet to turn it into a vertical social clip. You can absolutely craft these visuals manually in complex design software, but using built-in templates is much faster. If you are juggling several platforms, you really don't want to spend time creating 5 different versions of every single clip. Now, let's talk about the part everyone skips, which is scheduling and consistency. You can have all the clips in the world, but without a consistent release schedule, your momentum will just peter out. An auto-schedule feature lets you define how often you want clips to go live, and then it does the posting for you. This means you can record 2 long episodes and have enough content lined up for several weeks of posting. Compared to manually uploading content every single day, this is a massive efficiency gain for your business. The content calendar is where you map your clips to campaigns and tweak your copy on the fly. You get a visual sense of what is going live, when, and where, which helps you spot gaps in your feed. The magic here is the tight feedback loop between generating your clips, writing your captions, and automating the schedule. If you do this every time you publish, you end the cycle of posting once and hoping for traction. You convert 1 hour of content into weeks of discoverable posts that show up in DMs and social feeds. With AI doing the clip selection and scheduling, you don't need to hire a full team just to scale your output. To recap, start by generating an editable transcript after your episode. Use an LLM to create your newsletter summary, your blog post, and your social soundbites. Upload your raw episode to an AI generator to auto-detect the best viral moments and export those vertical clips. Finally, match your written quotes to the clips, write your captions, and load everything into your auto scheduler. If this process sounds like a lot of steps, remember that it only feels that way until you automate it. Once it is set up, you can go from raw episode to a full month of content in under an hour. Stop posting once and start running a relentless content machine that shows up everywhere without you needing to create fresh content weekly. Give this workflow a spin with one of your recent episodes and watch how much reach you can unlock. You don't need to rebuild your whole process right away. Just try this on one episode and see the results for yourself. Happy recording, and I will catch you in the next one.